Good day guys. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is mag-unboxing tayo ng tire na binili ko. So which is the Continental Gator Skin tire. Okay, bago tayo mag-umpisa, I would like to thank Ma'am Klang of Supreme Bikes PH. Napaka-accommodating ni Ma'am Klang. Okay, thank you very much for the stickers and for the discount. So guys, search nyo lang sila sa Facebook. May number na nakalagay doon. Pwede nyo silang tawagan or mag-message kayo. I'm sure sasagutin nila lahat ng inquiries ninyo. Okay? Again, napaka-accommodating nila. Before tayo mag-start, konting kaalaman lang sa Continental Company. So, ang Continental Company guys, more than 100 years experience na sila sa development and production ng bicycle tires. Okay? At ang maganda pa ron is Continental is the only German bicycle tire manufacturer to produce its tires in Germany. So ito guys, made in Germany to. Okay? Also guys, Continental tires are handmade. That's why they called it handmade in Germany. So kailangan ko lang magpalit ng gulong guys kasi yung gulong ko upod na. And this time pinili ko is the Gator Skin Continental. Before ang gamit ko is their Continental Ultra Sport. So wala naman ako angal doon, maganda siya, good yung performance niya. But then kaya ako naisipin ito yung bilin ko kasi ang ganda ng review and then maganda yung sinasabi dun sa site nila. So let us check kung ano yung sinasabi sa site nila. Okay, so according to them, Continental tires, the Gator Skin is the right tire when it comes to tough conditions. The right choice for a strong performance in the urban field and on tour. So bagay na bagay talaga ito sa kalsada natin guys. Pwede siyang pang city riding and long ride. And ang pinaka-highlight niya rito kung bakit gusto ko siyang subukan is it says it has puncture defense. Yung isang component niya which is a Poly-X breaker. Okay? So it makes it resistant to foreign objects, especially resistant to punctures. So akmang-akma ito sa kalsada natin guys, kaya gusto ko siyang subukan. So yun yung dahilan nung nabasa ko yun kung bakit nag-decide ako na ito naman yung subukan ko na tire. So let's go ahead and tignan na natin yung itsura niya guys. I-unbox na natin. May tape siya. Tinitsura niya guys, oh. Meron pa siyang manual. Dali natin. Tignan natin yung kanyang thread guys. You know? Yan yung thread niya guys. So, napansin ko lang medyo makunat. Kunat to guys, you know. So yan siya guys. Maya maya ikakabit ko na rin ito sa bike ko. Talagang pansin ko makunat talaga guys. Angas siyang ganito. Masusubukan natin siya sa next na padjak ko. Buksan na rin natin yung isa guys.
naman.
Ganda, guys. Excited na akong gamitin to. Ano pa lang kung paano. Nga pala guys, I would also like to thank JBL Bike Shop, and special thanks to my boo. Pinayagan niya akong bumili ng bagong tire. Thank you very much, my boo. I love you. So that's it guys. I'll see you on the road. Have a safe cycling. God bless. Sarap guys. Yeah. Bawi-bawi din sa lusong pag may time. Woo! Okay. Konting review din sa Continental Gator Skin tire. Ito guys, base lang to sa experience ko. Pareho yung isang gamit ko is Continental Ultra Sport. Pareho silang 25. So napansin ko itong Gator Skin, hindi siya kasing tagtag nung Continental Ultra Sport. Pareho silang 100 PSI harap likod. So yun yung pinaka main difference. Pangalawa, mas naging confident ako na hindi ako mapa-flat kasi nga according to Continental may anti-puncture yung Gator Skin. Pero napansin ko lang din kapag ka lusong at freewheel, mas may speed yung Continental Ultra Sport. So yun lang guys, so far yung napapansin ko. And so far okay sa akin tong Gator Skin. Okay, so tuloy pa natin itong padjak na to guys.